tell you a inspirational story. Once upon a time, there was a priest. He used to live in a village, but at the same time, he was very lazy and poor. But he used to see a dream that he will become a rich man one day. For that, he doesn't want to do any type of work. He used to beg for his livelihood. One day when he has gone outside for begging, he get a pot of milk. From that milk he drink half of the milk, and half of the milk he has put in that pot for making curd. And in the night when he was sleeping, he was dreaming that the pot of milk was converted into curd, and from that curd he has made some amount of ghee. He has thought that this ghee I will sell it in the market and I will get money from that. And from that money I will purchase some hens and I will make a poultry farm. After making poultry farm, I will get many hens and many eggs. I will sell it to the market and I will purchase a cow. And after purchasing cow, I will make a dairy farm. From dairy farm, I will make huge amount of profit, and I will buy some jewels from that. And the king will buy jewels from me, and that time I will charge a heavy amount from him. In this type of days, I will become a rich man. After becoming a rich man, I will marry and I will have a handsome boy. And if he is doing any type of mischievous, I will punish him. I will hit him by a stick. In that case, when he was dreaming, conveniently there was a stick beside his bed. He is thinking that he is beating with that stick to his son. But at the same time, when he is thinking that I am beating, but he has hit the stick into the pot, and the pot has been broken. And when the pot has been broken, all the milk has been fallen down. Now he is thinking that at the same time his dream has been broken. Now tell me from this story what you have learned.